हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पर रिविजिटिंग क्लासिक्स. बट वाई द नीड टू रिविजिट देम? आफ्टर ऑल, they were made in a time and generation lost to us and which we might not understand or comprehend as well. That's precisely the reason. And the other being, there are scores of people spread across different time zones who, even with the help of subtitles, are trying to understand the subtle nuances in these movies that captured the imagination of moviegoers worldwide. One such movie we can talk about is La Samurai. It came out in 1967, directed by Jean-Pierre Melville and starring the French actor Alain Delon, both at the top of their game. The movie is about an impassioned assassin for hire, who is betrayed by employers, rescued by eyewitness, and the audience is left wondering whether in the process he will turn over a new leaf. The opening scene is one to watch out for. It's a sparsely lit room, and had there not been a hint of smoke in the room, we wouldn't have known that someone is breathing, and that's our samurai along with the bird in the cage. Samurai Solitude wouldn't have had a better visual description. The first 10 minutes, not a word is spoken, but yet it sets the tone for the entire movie, especially the scene where amidst the rain, our protagonist Alain Delon as Jeff Costello, without looking at the bunch of keys in his hand, is trying to find the right key to steal a car. His steely face, coupled with the tension, is brought into sharp focus, and the same MO is repeated with Jeff trying to escape from the cops in hot pursuit in the later half of the movie. Trouble starts for Jeff when the assigned hit as a pianist as eyewitness as well as others, including a barman. Among the alibis is Miss Jane, lover of Jeff Costello, played by Nathalie Delon, real life wife of Alain Delon. Miss Jane also has a provider lover, Mr. Wiener, who delivers the line and the observation that sets up the hunt for the killer of Mr. Marty, who was the assigned hit. In his first few hours of questioning at the police station, Mr. Wiener says that he is not very observant, but as the audience gets to know, he is the one who correctly sketches the frame of the person who was behind the hit. With the cops hot in pursuit of Jeff and identifying Jeff as the possible suspect, Jeff's employers get cold feet and they decide to do what Jeff does best: get rid of. Whether the cops will be able to force Miss Jane to commit perjury, whether the bird in the cage in Jeff's room, will it be a nude spectator, all this you will get to know when you watch the movie. With cops following Jeff and Jeff following his employers, the movie heads for an exciting climax. If what you have heard you have liked, do share and subscribe. Thank you.